Picture the windswept wilds of Gansu Province, China, a land where the earth guards secrets from the age of dinosaurs. Here, paleontologists unearthed a rare treasure, a nearly complete sauropod skull, a find as precious as gold in the world of fossils. Sauropod skulls are fragile and seldom survive. Discovering one is like hitting the scientific jackpot. This skull belonged to a giant plant eater from 170 million years ago, during the Middle Jurassic. The scientific community was electrified. Such skulls are found maybe once in 100 skeletons. Its preservation offered a direct window into a long-lost world. The new species was named Jinchuanloong niedu, the dragon from Jinchuan County, honoring both its homeland and local heritage. Carefully excavated from the Chuanling Formation, this fossil came from a layer teeming with Jurassic life. Scientists realized this wasn't just another sauropod, it was a new species that could fill major gaps in dinosaur evolution, especially in Asia. The announcement sent ripples through paleontology. A well-preserved skull is like finding the lead actor's script. It reveals not just appearance, but clues about diet, senses, and behavior. Jinchuanloong was ready to tell its story after 170 million years of silence, and scientists were eager to listen, hoping to unlock new secrets about the reign of the dinosaurs. This discovery marks a turning point in our understanding of prehistoric giants. The skull of Jinchuanloong is a marvel of natural design, robust, heavy, and built for power. Unlike the delicate skulls of later sauropods, this one suggests a dinosaur that could strip branches with ease. Its thick snout and strong jaws hint at a diet of tough, fibrous plants. Unique features like the large anterobetal fenestra and distinct bone arrangements set Jinchuanloong apart from any other known sauropod. These subtle differences are like fingerprints, helping paleontologists identify it as a new species. The placement of its nostrils, far forward on the snout, debunks the old myth of aquatic, snorkel-necked sauropods. Jinchuanloong was a land dweller, breathing the Jurassic air, not lurking in swamps. Its teeth, simple and peg-like, were perfect for raking in vegetation, not chewing. Like other sauropods, it swallowed food whole, relying on a massive gut to digest its meals. The skull is more than a face, it's a menu, revealing diet and feeding strategy. Each detail helps reconstruct the daily life of this Jurassic herbivore. The fossil offers a vivid, accurate portrait of a living, breathing giant. Jinchuanloong's skull is a key to understanding how these dinosaurs thrived. It's a testament to the diversity and adaptability of sauropods. Sauropods are synonymous with size, and Jinchuanloong was no exception. Based on its skull and vertebrae, scientists estimate it stretched about 18 meters, longer than a city bus. Its long neck allowed it to browse treetops, towering over most other herbivores. But there's a twist. The vertebrae weren't fully fused, meaning this giant was still a teenager. Imagine, a teenage dinosaur already the length of a bus, with more growing to do. Adult Jinchuanloong may have rivaled the largest sauropods known. This discovery sheds light on how sauropods achieved such colossal sizes. Their immense bulk shaped entire ecosystems, clearing forests and creating open spaces. Even young Jinchuanloong would have been a force of nature. Their size was a survival strategy, protection from predators and access to vast amounts of food. Jinchuanloong's growth patterns help scientists understand the evolution of gigantism. These giants were ecosystem engineers transforming their world. The fossil is a vital clue in the story of dinosaurian growth and survival. In the age of dinosaurs, size truly mattered. Classifying a new dinosaur is detective work, comparing every bone to known species. Jinchuanloong belongs to the Eusauropoda, the true sauropods, but sits just outside the famous Neosauropoda group. This makes it a non-neosauropod eusauropod, representing an ancient branch of the family tree. It's a transitional fossil, blending primitive and advanced features. Its robust skull bridges the gap between early sauropods and their more specialized descendants. Intriguingly, Jinchuanloong shares traits with European giants called Dinosaurs. If confirmed, this link would show that these giants roamed across Pangaea, connecting Europe and Asia. The discovery redraws the map of dinosaur distribution in the Jurassic. Jinchuanloong refines our understanding of sauropod evolution. It wasn't a straight line, but a branching, experimental process. Different groups evolved unique body plans and lifestyles. Jinchuanloong represents another evolutionary experiment among the giants. Its place on the tree helps scientists trace the origins of the largest dinosaurs. The fossil is a snapshot of evolution in action. Each new find adds depth to the story of dinosaur diversity. Sometimes a single fossil can rewrite history. Jinchuanloong niedu is one of those game changers. It comes from the Middle Jurassic, a crucial but poorly understood era in dinosaur evolution. Jinchuanloong bridges the gap between early primitive sauropods and the specialized giants that followed. Its bones reveal trends like increasing size and new feeding adaptations. As a close relative to neosauropods, it helps pinpoint the innovations that led to their global success. The discovery challenges old ideas. Primitive sauropods didn't vanish quickly, but coexisted with their advanced cousins. The evolutionary story is richer and more complex than a simple ladder of progress. Jinchuanloong proves diversity thrived outside the main sauropod line. The Middle Jurassic of China is a paleontological treasure trove, revealing a vibrant prehistoric ecosystem. Fossils from this era include not just dinosaurs but early mammals, pterosaurs, and even feathered dinosaurs. Jinchuanloong adds a giant herbivore to this cast, showing the land was lush enough to support massive animals. Its presence hints at vast forests of conifers, cycads, and ferns. The discovery highlights Asia as a major center for sauropod evolution, not just a copy of North America. Jinchuanloong and its relatives followed their own evolutionary paths, adding to global dinosaur diversity. The potential link to European pterosaurs suggests ancient connections across continents. Each fossil from China helps piece together the global story of dinosaur life. Sauropods weren't just giant eating machines, they were a diverse, adaptable dynasty. Some, like Brachiosaurus, browsed treetops. Others, like Diplodocus, swept low vegetation. Short-necked species specialized in shrubs, showing a range of feeding strategies. Jinchuanloong's robust skull suggests it could handle tougher plants, perhaps making it a generalist. This adaptability may have been key to its success. Multiple sauropod species coexisted by dividing up resources, avoiding direct competition. Jinchuanloong shows this pattern was already established in the Middle Jurassic. Diversity was the foundation of the sauropod dynasty. Jinchuanloong is a time capsule, revealing not just an animal but its entire world. Its size hints at a warm, wet climate with lush forests. Conditions perfect for giant herbivores. The fossil also sheds light on predator-prey dynamics. Young Jinchuanloong would have faced threats from large theropods. The subadult specimen offers rare insight into sauropod growth, rapid, massive, and a key defense against predators. Studying its bones helps model how quickly these giants grew and how long it took to reach maturity. Jinchuanloong transforms a patch of rock into a living landscape, full of movement and drama. We can now imagine herds moving through ancient forests, shaping their environment. Fossils like this are portals to another time, connecting us to Earth's deep history. They remind us that every discovery enriches our vision of the past. Jinchuanloong's story is intertwined with the story of its world. It's not just a relic, it's a window into a vanished ecosystem. Each detail brings the Jurassic world to life. The fossil is a testament to the complexity and wonder of prehistoric life. The discovery of Jinchuanloong niedu proves paleontology's golden age is far from over. Each fossil, whether a skull or a footprint, adds a new word to the story of life on Earth. Jinchuanloong answers big questions and raises new ones about sauropod diversity and distribution. Its story is one of international collaboration and scientific dedication. The fossil is a triumph of curiosity and perseverance. Jinchuanloong is more than an extinct animal. It's a symbol of evolution's power and the planet's deep history. By studying these ancient giants, we learn about climate, biodiversity, and our own origins. The dragon of Jinchuan now speaks, its lesson written in stone.